Namaste everyone. Let me tell you that ChatGPT can create a well formatted PPT from any file. I am going to show you how to create a well formatted PPT using ChatGPT, and you can see what I'm going to do. Here we have a notification where which shows how chartered accountant can merge the firms, what is the rules, what is the procedure. So I am going to make a 5 slides PPT on it. You can take more slides if you want. And here is my chat gpt account, and you can see it is a paid account. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply upload this. So here is my file, and I'm going to upload this. Open. So it is uploading, and you can see the file has been uploaded. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply give a prompt: create a ppt from the above files in 5 slides. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one example also. Take examples also in slides PPT. Since there is content in two languages, Hindi and English, so I'm simply specifying only English content I want. Should be in English only, and here it is. Now, and give me a downloadable file. So if you will not write this, give me a downloadable file, so it may give you slides, but I don't want slides. I want simply a well formatted PPT. And here we can simply correct some mistakes and upload this, and you can see the file is been reading, and it is analyzing, and you can see the file is ready. Just download this, and let me open this. Oh, as you can see, the format is not there, but the magic is not with the chat gpt. If you are using gamma, I would suggest you use gamma. But if you are using chat gpt, and here we have a magic in office 365, just go to designer tab, and you can see, let me just take the first one, and for the second one I'm going to choose uh, let's say this one. For the third one, and you can see the example here, let's say I'm going to take this. The fourth one, let's say for the fourth one I'm going to take this. And for the fifth one, let's this. And now I'm going to present this, and you can see it is a well formatted ppt using ChatGPT. A PDF file was there, and ppt is here now. It is well being formatted. So that's how you can create a well formatted PPT from your ChatGPT and Office 365. See you in next video.